Alright, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for how to use Under the Radar. Okay, so you're going to skip past these first two. You're going to go straight to one of these payment options. Now, if you have a trial token, choose trial. If not, you're going to walk through here. This is going to set you up with PayPal, unless you have Alipay or Gfubao, Weixin or Gfubao. If you have a credit card, choose PayPal. Basically, that's pretty much it. But we are going to use the trial one, so I'm going to go over to trial and click submit and allow, and you're going to wait for this to finish, and there, it's done, ready to go. All right, I'm on my desktop, so I'm going to choose desktop, and we're going to go to WireGuard over here, and we're going to look for Mac OS because I'm on a Mac OS. Okay. And where's the download button? Here is I already have it installed, so but there should be like an install button for you, so you'll just install this. Once this is installed, you're going to go to the next step, which is setup. So if you're on a mobile phone, it's easier to scan the QR codes. So you click this button, you wait for the QR codes to show up, and you might have to wait like half a minute to a minute, so just be patient. So we're just going to sit here and wait patiently for the QR codes to show up on the screen. And there they are. Okay. So you'll just scan one of these, each one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But because we're on the desktop, we're going to go back to download. Oh, sorry. We're going to go back to setup, and we're going to download the config files. You're going to have to download 8 files, so forgive me for making this so difficult, but just do it. You only have to do it once. You're going to get Asia, Asia 1, Europe, Europe 1, Montreal, Montreal 1, and US, US 1, and that's it. That's done. Okay, great. Now the next step is to open up your WireGuard. Right, so here's your WireGuard. You're going to go find these files. So let's say we start with US1, show in Finder, right? So you know where this is at. This is in Documents. I actually meant to put this in Downloads. So let me move these over to Downloads. All right, great. Move. Replace all. Okay, great. So here it is in Downloads. I know where it's at now. So now that I know where it's at, I'm going to go back to WireGuard, and I'm going to go click on this plus button, and I'm going to add, I'm going to import tunnels from file, and I think you can choose all of them. So you should have 8. Do import, and there they are. They all show up. Create 4 tunnels. Create 4 tunnels from imported. Yeah. So now we have 4 tunnels here, right? So you can click on one, activate, and there you go. Now you're connected. Now you're surfing the internet from the protection of Under the Radar. Okay, great. We're all done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next